Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best truck toolboxes on Amazon. Few things are more baffling to me than seeing a nice, new, or even late model truck with a mess of tools and gear sliding around the back, scratching up the truck bed and damaging precious gear. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. OWS Matte Black Heavy Wall Aluminum Truck Toolbox. If you're in the market for a truck toolbox that mounts to your side rails but won't overly impede your rear view with a bulky overhang, check out the OWS Matte Black Heavy Wall Aluminum Truck Toolbox. This toolbox offers a slim, streamlined design but uses patented rigid core technology to max out strength and stability in the lid. The lid is filled with a dense yet lightweight foam that helps alleviate buckling and binding. The single-piece body of the toolbox is constructed from welded 0.058-inch aluminum. With dual stainless steel lock handles that are widespread for easy access from the sides of the truck, this is one of the more strongly secured truck toolboxes. What we like about it: rugged, rust-resistant aluminum construction. Extra thick and rigid lid prevents buckling or sagging. Includes tool trays and holders for added organization of smaller tools. What we don't like about it: black finish gets very hot to the touch in direct sunlight. Tool tray tends to slide around while underway. Number 2. Undercover Swing Case Truck Bed Storage Box. The Undercover Swing Case Truck Bed Storage Box is constructed with a rugged, durable and lightweight ABS plastic material, ensuring its longevity and durability. The black color design blends perfectly with the truck bed, giving a sleek and professional look. The swing-out design of the case allows for easy access to the stored items without having to reach over the side of the truck bed. One of the most significant advantages of the Undercover Swing Case Truck Bed Storage Box is its easy installation process. The product comes with all the necessary hardware, and installation takes less than an hour. It attaches directly to the existing bed rail and does not require any drilling or cutting, making it a hassle-free process. What we like about it: universal fit. Easy up lid for single-handed entry. Solid and durable one-piece construction. What we don't like about it: smaller than some other truck toolboxes. Only backed by a limited 1-year warranty. Number 3. OWS Heavy Wall Aluminum Slim Truck Toolbox. For shorter truck beds or smaller trucks, consider the ultra-slim OWS Heavy Wall Aluminum Slim Truck Toolbox. Like other OWS truck toolboxes, this one features heavy-duty lid strength thanks to the patented rigid core technology that packs the lid with a dense but lightweight and strong foam core that resists sagging and binding. The lid is also a low-profile design that won't impede your rear view vision as much as some other bulkier truck toolboxes. The body of the toolbox is constructed from 0.058-inch one-piece aluminum. This compact truck toolbox also comes equipped with a sliding shallow tool tray and built-in screwdriver holders that let you stay organized and find smaller tools quickly. What we like about it: super slim, space-saving design. Easy to install. Available in several different sizes to fit a variety of truck makes and models. What we don't like about it: ultra-slim design won't accommodate bigger, bulkier tools. Doesn't include any mounting hardware in your purchase. Number 4. Arxon Durable Aluminum Diamond Plate Toolbox. The Arxon Underbed Storage Box is available in both 39 and 49 inches. It's designed for smaller trucks and features a durable center latch that locks for security and to prevent theft. It has a rugged rotary-style 2-position latch and a weather seal to lock moisture out. It's made of corrosion-resistant aluminum diamond plate and has a polished finish that looks modern and rugged. What we like about it: can fit in smaller truck beds. Super lightweight. Affordable. What we don't like about it: limited storage capacity compared to larger toolboxes. Not as ruggedly constructed as some other models. Number 5. Truzido TL Tonomate. The Truzido TL Tonomate is chosen for its lightweight, rugged construction. It's made from a heavy-duty composite that's fully water and rust-proof, giving you years of reliable use. It's able to accommodate a tonneau cover while being mounted in an elevated position that allows you to use the full length of your truck bed. What we like about it. Large interior space. Can be mounted in different areas of the bed, front, middle, or rear. Plays well with Truzido's tonneau covers. What we don't like about it. Mounting bracket system needs to be a little stronger. May not hold up as well over time as an all-metal toolbox. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.